Hello guys, this is Honor Magic 5 Pro, magical and flagship phone. It's very expensive because of front and back glass. As you can see, the phone have back glass. So now guys, let's talk about Honor Magic 5 Pro. Specification 6.8 inches AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate. It has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It has triple camera setup with 50 megapixel main camera. As you can see, cameras are really perform well under daylight. I even compare this phone with S23 Ultra. This phone have little more natural, as you can see. Now guys, let's move forward. It has 12 megapixel selfie camera and 5100 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charging that can charge up to 30 minutes, and it runs on Android 13 operating system. It has 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM variant. 256GB storage. Front and back glass, as I told you. It has stereo speakers, type C USB, finger in display or finger under display feature. Now let's talk about extra features and price. It has 4K at 60 fps video recording option. It has 5 color: black, medium green, blue, purple and orange. It has IP68 dust and water resistance rating, and it has extra feature Face ID, gyro sensor, NFC is also there, and the price is 77k in India. Guys, I forget to tell you one thing about this phone is stylish, shiner and lighter even than S23 Ultra, and the glass is really amazing. Guys, I literally shocked why this phone is much expensive even than Magic 6 Pro. If you know, tell me in the comment section. This is because of the glass. This phone is so much expensive even than Magic 6 Pro. I don't know why this phone is